How to apply for an Old Navy credit card online. So let's get started. If you want to save 30% on your first purchases and earn rewards at Old Navy and related store, then here is how to apply for it. Open the Google web browser according to your preferences, and in the search address bar, simply copy and paste the link from the description box below, and you will be navigated to the direct applying section of the Old Navy credit card. Now, once in there, click Apply Now or similar to start the application at the top right corner of your screen. Now, once you do so, all you have to do is complete the form with your personal details, name, address, phone, SSN, TIN, DOB, and financial info. If there is nothing asked or there is just asked the card number and other digit cards, then all you have to do is enter your info manually option available there. Then you'll have to complete the form with your personal details. Then agree to a hard credit check required for approval. Review all entries, then submit. You might get an instant decision, though some applications take up to 2 weeks. If approved, Barclays mails your card usually within 7 to 10 business days. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.